Alright, so today we're going to be installing these. This has been a long time coming. Right now, I haven't done a video with my current header, but it's just an eBay one, DNA I'm sure. This is the PLM header. Got bolts. Cool. I haven't done a video with a sound clip of this header. I have a video of my two-step with a test pipe instead of a cat. I think right now she is sitting with so stock resonator 3-inch end. It's just a custom to put together exhaust. But yeah, I'll get these installed and we will do a sound clip. I might go up to Canyon today, see about maybe doing a couple of pulls. Alright, so this wasn't meant to be instructional, nor was it meant to be a how-to. But as you can see, I don't have my cowl. I took it off. And my car's still on the ground and I'm replacing my header. But the reason I'm doing it this way, with the car still on the ground, is because once you get all this stuff out of the way, it makes it 10 times easier to get back here where the header is, so you can get the bolts and studs. Yeah, especially because there's no room to work on this thing at all. But yeah, my wiring mess is great, but my fog lights work, so that's good. All right, so get this old header taken off real fast, and we'll put the new one on, do a sound clip, cold start and all that. All right, again, this wasn't meant to be instructional, but I'm doing it anyway. It's up on the off the ground. It's in the air now. I got all my header bolts right there as far as the manifold goes, so that's unbolted. Still gotta do the bottom section where it would normally connect to the cat and the O2 sensors, which is what I'm doing next. But while we're underneath here, okay, got my O2 sensors, but you do have to loosen the subframe and lower it just a little bit. I found it easiest to use this bolt here. I can't turn my flash on, but this bolt right here, if you loosen it, it'll allow it to slide down enough. And then you just loosen the 4 bolts in the corners. Just enough, right there. Just enough to bring it down some so you can get the header off, or out. I will show that as soon as I get to that point. All right, I'm gonna lower the subframe down. I'm gonna try to do it with my air gun, or my electric impact, but it usually doesn't carry enough power like the air gun does, so let's see. Like I said, you just want to loosen these up a little bit. Sweet. And then I got the 2 on the side I was telling you about earlier. Maybe if I can get there. Right there. That one. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so here's those subframe bolts. So you see my subframe is down. And that should be enough clearance to get my header out now. I still gotta do that one there, but yeah, just loosening those little ones up it allows it to drop, so you don't have to drop it all the way. I've done that before on my last FG2, and I ended up having to replace the entire steering rack. So if I can avoid that, I will. All right, PLM header, stock cat back with a 3-inch tip, no muffler. Cold start. All right, warm start and 2-step. HNSI, PLM header, stock cat back with 3-inch tip. Don't want to do it too much. So there you have it. 8th gen Honda Civic Si PLM header, stock cat back with a muffler delete and a 3-inch end piping. So far it sounds better than it did with the eBay header. Can't get rid of that because eBay sucks. Should have learned my lesson on my RSX. You buy cheap, you get cheap. PLM is not top tier, but it's better than eBay, that's for damn sure. And good luck finding a skunk too, so. I think it's time to take this down for a wash, and we'll see what happens from there.